How to turn off USB storage in your WhatsApp. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to turn off USB storage in your WhatsApp app. Let's get started and follow my steps. First of all, you have to open your Android smartphone settings. After that, now here you have to open your device settings. After that, here you have to search in the search bar developer option. Here you have to type in the search bar developer option. Now here you have to click on this developer option button. Here you can see click on this developer option. After that you have to scroll down a bit and here you will see an option USB debugging. You have to simply turn off this toggle. In this way you can turn off USB storage in your WhatsApp on Android. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next interesting video. Thank you.